Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve question number 2 of triangle exercise 7.1. Alright. So in which the quadrilateral is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equals to BC given. AD equal to BC. This is given that this side is equals to this side. Angle DAB equals to angle CBA. Angle DAB. This complete part. Okay. Angle DAB equals to angle CBA. CBA. Okay, this angle, they are equal. This is also given. Only one thing is left, that is this common. So that means AB equals to AB common. So it's very simple. This question, 3 things they have asked. Prove that these two triangles are congruent. BD equals to AC, ABD equals to BAC. इन सबका एक ही solution है. Just prove that these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, this is equal, this is equal. Let us see. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, AD equals to BC given. Done. Then this AD equals to BC given. Then angle DAB equals to angle CBA. This is also given. And AB is equals to AB. This is common in both the triangles. Common क्यों लिखते हैं हम? Because it is common in both the triangles. जो दो triangle हमने consider किए उसमें AB दोनों में है. You can see it here also. AB, BA, right? Which implies triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. And by which test? Let us see the test. Side, angle, side. Here also side, angle, side. So therefore SAS test. Which also implies BD equals to AC. BD equal to AC. BD और AC, ये देखो BD और AC उन्हीं दो ट्रायंगल के पार्ट है. So therefore they will be equal. So again by, you know what it is, चना पोहा चने की तरी. And angle ABD equals to angle BAC. ये भी चना पोहा चने की तरी. ये just to remember this कि क्या है इसका full form, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. तो it's just a humor, nothing else. ABD BAC. अब ये भी उसी का पार्ट है. ABD this angle and C this one. तो ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल, ये दोनों इसी एंगल्स के पार्ट है. So therefore they will be equal. So we have proved all the 3 things. This is done. Congruency, where it is, yes, this is done. Then this and this. All right, so that's the solution. Thank you.